Good morning. Hey there, yo-yo. Hey there, Naz. How's it going? Huge applause to anyone who's here. How's it going? Wonderful, good evening, morning, night. Let's see what's happening. All right. So Nasdaq did a classic seek and destroy. Well, almost, technically. Really shook the market. Look at this. Wow. So where do we go now? Seems like we have some possible target down below. I mean, it might want to go to 38. Could that be? How about that? Should I do my probe trade on this one? I don't even know. Let's see what is going on. Okay, there you go. There you go. I think we're going to take that sell side liquidity here, which is at 38.25. All right. Let's go to the 1 minute. Pretty close. If it would go back to 48, maybe I would jump in, but now I just don't really care about it. It's going to be a PM low, swing low from New York yesterday. Okay. Laura, good morning. No, good morning. Market has been on some yeah. Yeah, it's very crazy how the market was behaving. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? Let me check what is happening here. I might put in a sell limit order at 46. Who knows? We have a small fair value gap. I do like the 38 level down there. For scalping it, 38.25. I'm gonna put a level there just to know it. 38.25. Okay. Is it gonna go down there? I wonder. I entered a trade, by the way. I just don't know how to show this to you guys. I'm in a short. Damn, I'm in a short on the My Funded Futures evaluation account. Which account is this? This is the one. Okay. So I'm in this short, targeting the 38.50 right now. What else do we have? What else do we have? Hold on. Let me just set up my charts because everything is pretty much all over the place here. It might gonna go against me, but this is the usual probe trade that I take. All right, this is the one. Okay. Morning, Trader G. Ready for today. It's only 1 hour pre-London market open. Yeah. I lost the Apex PA account. What? Yesterday that was at day 10 and way past its buffer. No way, dude. What happened? Over trading. Come on. What happened? I mean, I know it sucks, but when this happens, what I used to do is I just look back and think about what I did, what happened, actually, what was the reason that the account got blown up. Arian, hey there. Huge applause for everyone again who's joining the stream. So you should rethink what you did. I suppose it should have been like oversizing, overtrading, something like that, because 99% of the time that's the problem. Did you execute on your entry model? For example, you should ask the question. So moving stop loss, never again. So yeah, so you were widening your stop. Write down the mistakes you did. You will learn from it. It just takes time. But, you know, Mesopeti, good morning. Hey there. I go to the hub. What? Dude, you pronounce my name correctly. All right. Like the actual American pronunciation. I'm impressed. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. It was Mama Africa. I second that. I've been journaling and it has been helping. Exactly. So journaling, I'm journaling too. Sometimes it's a little bit emotional how I journal, because I don't really want to show details, but maybe I'm going to show details from my journal. It's sometimes not just about the exact trade, but sometimes I journal my emotions, what I was thinking, what I was hoping for, you know, what was my thought process, etc. And Aaron, okay. All right, I'm gonna call you Aaron. Aaron. I'm gonna call you Aaron. So yeah, Olisha, hey there. Good morning. So I think journaling helps. My biggest losses came from revenge trading and being emotional. Exactly. So oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, Peti, küldök. Át kell szerveznem a Discordot. Nyitok egy ingyen csatornát, mert a fizetős tagokat nem akarom. Mármint, hogy lényegtelen, csinálok egy ingyenest. Meg amúgy is meghívlak, a fizetősben nincs jelentősége. Bocs, nem néztem meg, az Instát nagyon ritkán nézem. Bocs, megnézem, és akkor még ma intézem neked. Yep, also find a way to do... Oh, most írtad? Jó, oké. Okay. Nem szoktam. Fogok küldeni, és akkor megoldjuk, csinálunk egy ilyen kis közös csatornát. Hard stop. You also find a way to hard stop rhythmic. Yeah. So it kicks me out. Exactly. So by the way, rhythmic, that's why it's also good, because with rhythmic trader you can set up a hard stop level. So a daily stop level for yourself, and it's really, you know, helpful. So even though, for example, Apex or My Funded Futures or whatever prop firm, many of those prop firms don't have a daily stop out level, and I saw people saying that, oh, I like TOPSTEP because there's a daily stop out level and it will stop you out and you won't continue to trade. You can do the same if you choose rhythmic connection with any prop firm, and there's a limit, daily loss limit. You set it and it's going to auto liquidate you. So you can do it on any prop firm if you choose rhythmic connection. You have the privilege to set it up for yourself, the daily stop out level. Yeah. Also, it's a very good information. It just reminds me that Take Profit Trader has a daily loss limit too, and I do like Take Profit Trader. I'm just digging myself into all the small details and everything. And the only downside of Take Profit Trader, but it's not a huge downside, is that if you breach the daily stop out level, it is a hard break, hard rule, and if you breach that level, you lose the account, the whole account. So the thing that you can do is you go into Rhythmic and set up a limit. For example, set it up for $900 or $950, or I don't even know what is the daily loss limit at Take Profit Trader. Hold on. Take Profit Trader. Oh yeah, it's $1,100. So $1,100 is the daily loss limit on a 50K account. You set the Rhythmic daily loss limit, for example, $1,000 or $990 because of slippage, commission, you know, stuff like that. And you know, that's how you avoid it. It's a very simple step. On my only TOPSTEP small payout saved me from blowing it day 2. Oh, okay, well, there you go. There you go. So I'm in this short. I might regret it. I thought that we're gonna go down and take out this New York PM session low here. It seems like I'm stuck in this trade. Typical, usually, I mean, this happens to me with my probe trades. But if we trade above this level at 53, well, you know, we could be going above relative equal highs at 76. So who knows? Who knows? It could be possible that we move. I'm gonna put that level on there. That level is gonna be, well, let's go with 76 as Asia highs. How about that? I like that level. 70. I'm gonna go with 76. It's not 100% accurate, but it's good for me. Asia high. All right, it's good. It's good. Hey Sanjay, I'm all right. I'm okay. Doing all right. In a drawdown currently, I thought that we're gonna reach for that. Oh, look at this dirty move! Dirty move. I thought that we're gonna reach for that low from the New York PM session. But I decided to trade aggressively on this evaluation account because right now this is just an evaluation account. And I'm going to do some aggressive trades before it's going to rebill me, which is not a problem because I'm in a slight profit, but I thought, why not? But if it goes above 53 and 56, then I'm definitely going to go for 76 if we have a displacement. So I don't mind losing a few $100s on this evaluation account, I decided. By the way, just to let you guys know, the 90% sale on BULENOX, it's technically a flash sale, they want to compete with Apex, is still going on. If you use the code TOM50 and TOM100 and TOM150, you can see it right there in the corner. You can get 90% off from the 50K, the 100K, and the 150. No, sorry, 90% off from the 50K, 70% off from the 100K, and 65% or something like that off from the 150. Don't go with that because the activation fee is too high. But you can get a 50K end of day trailing account, the option 2 account, which is, I'm just saying because everybody wants to go with end of day trailing. So there you go. BULENOX never did such a cheap sale with the end of day trailing accounts. You can get a 50K account for $18. $18, the cheapest upfront cost right now in the market until Monday or Sunday, I don't even know, Sunday evening, whatever. And it's lifetime, not just for the first month. It's lifetime discount until you pass the account. It's gonna be $18. So I think they wanted to go under TOPSTEP. Yes, it has a daily stop out level. Yeah, I checked it. I always go with the option 1 account, which has no daily stop out level. The option 2 has a stop out level, just like, for example, TOPSTEP. I think they wanted to go for TOPSTEP in this sale. So it has a daily stop out level of $1,100, but it has end of day trailing. So yes, but anyways, $18, you know. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is good. I'm gonna take on accounts with them, and the only downside, everything checks out with them. Everything is cool. Everything is great. I think there's also a sale going on, 40% off. If you use my code, it's down there somewhere in the description. And I'm gonna do a review video as well. They didn't ask me for it, but as much as I dived into the details, I like it very much. And so the only downside is that if you breach the daily limit, it's a hard breach. You lose the account. But there's a solution for that. If you use Rhythmic, you can have an automatic liquidation. For example, they have $1,100. You set it up for $990 or $1,000 in Rhythmic, and there you go. But the payout policy, good morning, David. The payout policy is good. Actually, if you reach your threshold and if you make some profits on any given day, you can just click on it and they have it wired to you on the same day, on the same exact day. So you have a good day, you make a few $100s, and you decide, all right, I'm gonna take it out, and they just wire you out the money on the same day. No, hey, Tom, use your... Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. No, thank you. So check them out. I think the payout policy is the best in the market, but first reach your threshold, your safety cushion. The same goes for every prop firm. Build up some kind of a balance, some kind of a threshold, and after that, if you have a good day or one or two good days, definitely. Ó, József, elfelejtettem szólni, most láttam, neked is küldök linket Discordra. Alright. So, yeah. It's like having a personal cash account, really. If you reach that threshold with Take Profit Trader, after that level, it's like having your own personal cash account. That's the best thing in Take Profit Trader. Any day you want to take out some money, even just, best to take out at least 250. I think if you take out below $250, the withdrawal fee is a lot. That's also something you have to consider. So above $250, there is no withdrawal fee, so it's free, no fees or anything. But below $250, I think there's a $50 penalty. So it's in the fine print, $50 penalty for taking out money below $250. But anyways, why would you want to take out $100 or whatever? It's best to aim for above 250 because it's free. Anyway, we're waiting for the London Open. I thought we're gonna sweep that PM session low from New York yesterday. Seems like it doesn't really want to go for it, but it's fine. I'm okay with it. You're gonna blow it up, hit the daily loss. Yeah. That's why I said if you hit the daily loss, it's a hard breach, but there's a way around it. $1,100 is the daily loss limit at Take Profit dollars. Dollars? Come on, Take Profit Trader. Oh my god. Set it up Rhythmic stop out level at $1,000, and you're not going to blow it. But it's only on the evaluation phase. On the funded level, there is no daily loss limit. Okay, no daily loss limit on the funded account. Marrying trades in losers wedding ring. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Well, somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq again. Somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq. Oh, look at that. It's going up again. What is happening? What is happening? Well. Howdy, Oracle. Hey there. How much is a 50K account? I think with the promo right now it's $100, I think. Monthly, but no activation fee. So, oh yeah. 102 all in, no activation fee, yes. Even if you pass it in 2 months, you're still okay, you know, considering how much other prop firms are offering 50K accounts. So worst case scenario, if you can make it in 60 days and you get rebuild for the second month, you will still be able to reach it for about the same price as other prop firms, but you still have the chance to pass. Yeah, that's not bad, you know, $102 including activation fee. The only downfall, again, which you have to watch for is the daily loss limit, because that's a hard breach, like in Forex prop firms, but only on the evaluation phase, not on the funded. On the funded level, there is no daily loss limit. And they switched it a little bit because the evaluation phase has end of day trailing and the funded level has intraday trailing. So I know it's a little bit crazy, but we talked about it, guys, a lot. If you go for base hits, especially on the funded account, the intraday trailing should not be a concern, okay? The only thing, again, which is the huge negative point, is if you breach the daily loss limit, the account is blown. But there is a way. Set it up, set up a Rhythmic daily limit. That's it. And Rhythmic is going to liquidate you automatically. You can do that. It's Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader Oracle. So everything checks out with them. It seems okay and everything's cool. But the hard breach, that's the problem. On the evaluation phase, the daily loss limit is a hard breach and you blow the account. Make 20K. Yeah. Otherwise, it's good. And the best of the best is the daily payout policy. All right. Sorry guys, just a good friend of mine called me. On the phone with CME. Yeah, I wish I was. I wish. 139. Yeah. I'm looking for that PM session low, if that's what you're saying. Those 3 people go on to become multimillionaires. Ordering new iPads. Oh, I wish, guys, I wish. 432. What the heck? Morning, Oliver. Sorry, guys. It was a good friend of mine, rarely calls me, and I called him a few days ago, and he just called me back. Yeah. Let's see what's happening. How are you guys doing on this wonderful morning? Francis, hey. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Oh, I forgot to put out a new giveaway. It's partially because of technical issues. I want to put out a new video for YouTube. I'm editing it already, and it's gonna be part of the giveaway. So that's why I didn't put it out yesterday. I'm gonna catch up with that. Sorry, but their new giveaway is gonna come, so we do it again. Sun is shining here in Poland. Nice, Joey. Awesome. Good to see you. If I make 10 in 20 minutes, days to consider a flip. It's absolutely, yes. It's a traded day. All you need is one position to be open and closed, even if you do one, or even if you end up in a loss, whatever. It's open and close a position, and that's considered to be a traded day. That's it. That's how simple it is. Dang it, guys. I think I should be closing this trade. I don't like anything about this. Alright, I'm closing it. I closed this trade because it's just terrible. I'm not gonna babysit this. Alright, no orders. I don't care if it goes down to 38 now. This is typically the kind of price action I don't want to be a part of. I'm gonna wait for London Open, and as I closing it, it goes down. I'm gonna wait for London Open. I'm the statement still targeting. All right. Well, I just lost my patience, and I thought that the momentum is going to push it down. And oh, we have a new subscriber, Margie. Hey, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing, Margie. Okay. How does Apex pay you? What methods do they use? I'm US citizen. Well, they I think for US citizens they using the ACH bank wire, whatever. So technically bank wire. That's it. Yeah, yeah, it's rejecting a little bit. I just don't like, when this move, it started to drop down here. It happened like in 2 minutes, and after it for half hour it was just going sideways. And this is the thing when I say, all right, F it, I'm not going to sit in this one, so I'm just gonna close it. It went down nicely. I thought we're gonna drop, but this is not the thing I like. You're not a US citizen. How they do international bank wire. That's it. International bank wire transfer. I think they use Plane right now, which is an online payment processor. Is it Plane? I think it's Plane. That's what they're using. Plane.com. I think you have to register with them or Rise. I don't know. Apex uses Plane, I think. Or Rise. They use Rise as well. I don't know. So they use an online payment processor, and you have to register there, give your international bank account details, and that's it. That's all. My funded futures, for example, using Rise. TOPSTEP is using TunePay, or what's it called? I don't even know. So these online payment processors are in play. But they will tell you to register. That's it. Upload your personal details, maybe an ID or something, and the bank account number. Look at this. I exited, goes to my original TP. That's typical. I can withdraw. Yeah, there's a withdrawal cap, I think, on Apex. Let's see. Apex trader withdrawal limit. Yes, on a 50K account, you can withdraw $2,000 at once. So monthly, twice monthly, that's $4,000 a month from a 50K account. Yeah, after 3 months, no withdrawal limit. Yeah. So also, there is one plus point at my funded futures. There is no withdrawal limit at my funded futures on the expert account. No cap on the withdrawals. Also, TOPSTEP doesn't have a cap, but you have to be making, you can withdraw 50% of the profits that you make. So keep that in mind. So overall, the My Funded Futures expert account is the only one, and I think Take Profit Trader has no limit too. I'm gonna check it. But My Funded Futures expert account doesn't have any cap on the withdrawals. Take Profit Trader withdrawal limit. Okay. Let's see. Withdrawal rules. Withdrawal Pro account to wallet. Withdrawal from wallet. There's no cap, as much as I can see. Look at that. We're going for that TP. Darn it. %. Oh wow, look at this. Damn it. A little bit of FOMO. 30% for following. My original TP was down here at 3850. I'm not gonna do that right now. Exit early at 140. Yeah. I'm not gonna re-enter. You should start futures firm called FOMO trading. Yeah. For our consequent encroachment. Let's check it. I see what you mean. Yeah, from yesterday. Let's put a line there. Just to check out what's happening. Okay. Yeah, it's down at 120. Could go. Could go. It could go. Yeah. It's not accurate, but it's around 120. Can definitely drop there. Maybe I should be having some FOMO, right? Yeah. So if I made a profit with all the best rules and prices, but told you guys origin follow can only take 30% for pay you guys, wouldn't you join really? Still a lot of money that could be accumulated. I mean, yeah, of course. Yeah, maybe. Let's see, Trader G. It won't hurt to mark it just in case, especially with job reports in a few hours. Oh, we're gonna have some reports. Totally forgot to check it. What is happening here? Monetary policy report. Official bank rate. We're gonna have a few pound news here. Unemployment claims. Okay. Only the best prop firm. I know, Nets. Ba-dum. What is happening? Look at that. It's going back up again. No kidding. I know. I mean, but for example, even if I would have the capital and the money for it and everything, I'm not even sure the technology, the staff and the know-how. I'm not even sure I would want to establish a prop firm because I know it makes money, but you still have to be very good in risk management, marketing, mostly risk management, and also risk management and risk management. Oh, and risk management. You have to be good at those because you have to pay out your good traders and the gamers as well. And if you're not making good marketing or good offers, and if you can't reach people on social media, then you're pretty much doomed because no income. You're gonna bleed out like super crazy because you will have good traders and you have to pay those. And even though they say like, all right, we're putting those traders out to the live market, I mean, yeah, but putting the best traders into the live market is actually just risk off for the prop firms because they still have to pay real money for a real live account, but at least after that, those best traders are being paid out directly from the market and not by them. So by putting someone to the live market is actually getting rid of someone. Actually, that's what it means. How much do they give you if you go live with prop firm? Well, it depends on which prop firm, but most likely, for example, TOPSTEP or My Funded Futures, they give you like 100% of the profits. So basically, you can do whatever you want on a live account. It will be like having your own personal account on any futures brokerage firm. That's it. That's how it works. But when they put someone on a real live account, they are actually getting rid of the trader because they don't want to pay that person anymore from their money, which comes from failed challenges. Which is, I mean, it's a good thing because you can, if you're on a live account, especially with the futures prop firm, which they have to go with regulations, then you can be sure that that money has to be paid out to you because it's from the live markets. And from that moment on, they don't really care about what you're doing because you're just somebody who is trading with their platform, or not with their platform, but under their umbrella. You sleep. All right. Yeah, patience is key, definitely. So for you, it's a privilege and it's a huge celebration that you're trading live, but for them, you're just risk off. You're just someone who they just got rid of. One less problem when they put someone on the live market. SMT on the 15 minutes. Sounds like it. Oh yeah, SMT 15 minute. Taken on Nasdaq. Let's see, ES. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, okay. I get it. I get it. Well, let's see. 5 minute. Macro in 5 minutes. My neck is hurting. Small market structure shift here. Didn't reach the original TP down there. I'm not going to jump in. Equal high 156. Almost, yeah. Looks good. We have the Asia high, almost relative equal highs at 176 as well. So we'll keep an eye on that too. Yeah, NQ is typically teasing before. I need to pay out to go fine dine and drive fancy truck. Alright, drive fancy truck. Oh yes, yes. I think all of us wants that right now. Oh, we all want to go fine dining and driving fancy cars. It's an algorithm. They call it macro. It's just basically an algorithm that sweeps liquidity at certain times before market open or lunch hour, you know, stuff like that. It's actually just an algorithm, a small algorithm. There is no proof of that. Only ICT says that it exists. Also, some other traders say it, of course, but not just ICT. So that's not entirely true. But there's definitely something going on at those times of the hour, because price usually tries to, I mean, it acts a little bit crazy. Sweeps liquidity from certain fair value gaps or highs or lows, you know. Yeah, basically that's what Nas is saying. Yeah, algos are moving the price up and down just to piss off traders and to sweep some liquidity. So near-term highs and lows or gaps could be taken out, and you can just study it and watch it during the day, and there is something into this theory that these algos are starting to work. Like collecting the orders. As ICT mentions that macros exist 10 minutes before and after an hour, so basically it is closing and opening time of 1 hour and 4 hour candle. Yeah, we can say that. So these small algos. So right now it's turned on, but as you can see at this second, not much is moving. So if there is a micro algo or whatever it's called, micro algorithm, then it could be taking out this high here, for example, at 48, or going down back to this gap 43 and then going up to 48. So some kind of a, you know, fluctuation here. 15-minute SMT equal highs above. Yeah, it could be market structure shift. Yeah, on the 1 minute. Oh hey, Juan J, welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah. Currently, it is 10 minutes before London Open. Next hour macro would be probably more, because at 3 a.m. will be liquidity injection. Yeah, so about those injections, sometimes it happens, sometimes it not. I mean, it's a question mark on my end personally, because at many cases you don't see anything. I mean, the market is not moving. You don't see liquidity injection or whatever. Everything is just the same. So, is it true BULENOX have end of day drawdown? The option 2 accounts, yes, Bao. Yes. If you choose to go and that's the 90% sale, the option 2 account has an end of day drawdown, and it has a 90% sale if you use the code TOM50 on the 50k account. 100k account, TOM100, but it's not 90%. It's 70% or 75, I don't know, for the 100k. The cheapest offer, because they want to compete with TOPSTEP, is on the 50k account with BULENOX. It ends at the same time as TOPSTEP is ending the sale, at Sunday evening or Monday morning, something like that. And it's lifetime, by the way. It's not just for the first month, as long as you don't pass the account. This is the cheapest end of day option 2 account sale that BULENOX did, as much as I can remember. So they never did it so cheap before. All right. Let's wait. London is open in about 5 minutes. We can sweep the 138.25 level, is still in there, which I like as the PM session low. I exited earlier from a trade that was going sideways. I was in a short. Anyway, that is what it is. All right, I'm gonna fill some drinks here and I'll be back in a minute. So let's wait for London Open. I'm back. Looks like we're going for the 138 after all. 38.25. 38.25 was it? Just gonna put a line there. Okay. Well, a little bit of vodka on the coffee, right? That would be great, actually. All right. So if I pass BULENOX 25k account, I have to pay, yes, exactly. Or 148 on a 50k account. So yeah, you have to pay an activation fee. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. $18 for a 50k end of day trailing evaluation account. Then the activation fee is $148. So altogether, it's still a good price. But if you are skilled, that's why I'm saying, if you're skilled enough, then with the same amount, you can go for a My Funded Futures expert account. If you have the skills to pass it under 30 days. Why I'm saying this? Because with the discount, it's $156, including activation fee, no withdrawal cap, no consistency rule, nothing, anything. And it's $156. Just gonna make sure. End of day BULENOX have trailing threshold. And yeah, so the BULENOX option 1 account is intraday trailing, and the option 2 is end of day. The difference is the high watermark. So if you're in a profit, for example, $500, there you go, my TP. If you're in a $500 profit, end of day is always more expensive because, you know, that's what traders like more. I mean, it's the same price at BULENOX, but with the intraday, yeah, My Funded Futures, if you apply as a new customer at My Funded Futures with the promo right now, my code is working as well. Oh, look at that. Hold on, we're gonna get back to that. Let's watch it. What is happening here? We took out the low. We might be going for that 120. Who knows? What just happened? I'm gonna put a line at 122. Yeah, all right. Nothing extra. So as I was saying, My Funded Futures, if you're a brand new customer and you purchase your first expert account, the promo is $115 for your first expert account. If you're a new customer, you can use my code. If you're a brand new customer, $115 at My Funded Futures. Okay. All right. Swept Asia lows. Now we're waiting for Asia highs. That's it. Yeah, London got mad. That's why I'm saying, if you know you have a skill or you have the guts, then you can go in with an expert account with My Funded Futures. And you have all the benefits. Even if you're not a new customer, you get a 5% discount, so $156 on a 50k account. If you do it in 30 days, there you have it. There is help. Yusuf is asking if there is any information on BULENOX. There is a help site. Let me check. Yeah, so there's there's this link. It's the help center. And you will find some information there. Yeah, no worries. All right, what is happening? Okay, we could be on a railroad. No, on track to go to 76 maybe. Are we gonna go for that? Relative equalized at almost at 56. How about that? Wow. Wow. The thing is that we have some gaps here. Okay. It's also gapped out on the mini, not just on the micro. So we can still go down. I don't like this. I'm not entering. But you know, if it would go down to 42, I might jump into a long trade. If it would go down to 42. Yeah, why not? All right, just the limit order there. I don't think it's gonna take it, but according to risk to reward ratio and potential target, it's good for me. Yeah. Do I see pretty much exact same setup on as yesterday? Yeah, could be. If we take out the 56 right now with this move, I'm gonna delete my entry. Yeah. Took out the low. And off to upside it goes. Good morning, FX Mo. Good to see you. So yeah, I closed it here after 30 minutes. If I would have held it, I would have made some profits, but I was impatient. I was absolutely impatient. Okay, seems like we're taking this off. Okay, no entry for me right now. We have 76 as Asia high. Yeah. 76. Look at this. Wow. I have a feeling that it's just gonna straight go for that and take it out. Watch with the VWAP. Oh yeah. We're here at the VWAP. What a move, right? 35, wow. What a move. If they really want to make this as a perfect move, they should be taking out 75. It feels like manipulation. It's not normal how it moves right now, for me at least. I mean, I don't know what you guys think, but the way I see this, it's not a typically normal move. Oh man, I do like that level up there, the 76. I think it's gonna go there. And okay, maybe I should have not done this. I want to be in the trade. Retraced a little bit. I jumped into a buy. Actually, this is absolutely not a good entry. It's like I'm chasing it. Peter, well, silver bullet. We can call whatever we want. Marcy, hey there, Marcy. Marcy, servus. Morning. 150, bullish order block and up. Yeah, I think we will have it. Not the perfect order block, but there is. The thing that concerns me is down here. We have gaps down there. To refuel, yeah. I really thought that we're gonna... I mean, this move was so steep. I thought we're gonna edge higher to take that 76 out of the way, and then whatever can happen. Wasn't obviously a good choice from me. Well, I'm risking about $120 or something like that. This is an evaluation account, so I'm cool. I'm not putting these kind of trades on a funded account, so this I would have never entered on a funded account. Just saying. I'm waiting for A+. This is not an A+ setup. Just want to go for 76. That's all I'm waiting for. My problem is with the gaps down there. If volume dries out, then the market can drive back down to that level. Yeah, just like now. Grab a mark and fill those gaps yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Just waiting. All right. Terrible entry on my end. Ugh. Terrible entry. Terrible entry. This is actually one of the worst kind of entries that one can have. Chasing price. Yeah. That's my problem. It's 10 points down, that gap. I might have to close this trade, guys. I might close it manually. Rejected 905. Okay. Microsoft looks bearish. Apple not looking good either. Oh. I would go for short. Okay. Good idea. Actually, I'm considering to close this. Feels like this here is just dying out right now. All right. I've closed it. I don't like the move. I'm gonna go to a different account on this one. Yeah, let's see. What do we have? I'm gonna go to my... No, not this one. Maybe I can go to this one. Yeah. Just don't like it. There's this gap at 46.20, 46.50 actually. So it's here on the mini as well. Don't like that. Also more gaps on the 30-second chart. So here. It's not 100% that it will go down there, but you know, it's definitely an area that, you know, it can go. It can go to that level. So I'm just gonna wait. I stepped outside to look up at the stars, and one of them showed me vision of us two driving around in our own really fast, and well, nice one. I like that. I like that vision, Naz. I like that vision. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What's it doing right now? It tapped the bullish order block now. Up. Could be. Could be. It was very close to that 46 level. And look at the gaps. It's showing some weakness. Erkan, good morning. And welcome everybody. If you can please push the like button, that would be awesome. Please help out the stream by pushing those likes. Let's push it to the moon. It's free to do. Thank you so much for helping out the channel. So, push the likes, everyone. All right. Also, huge sale going on with BULENOX. $18 for a... Oh, somebody subscribed. Leonard Ramos. Thank you very much for subscribing. Welcome on the channel. Welcome. So, huge sale going on with BULENOX. $18 for a 50k end of day trailing evaluation account if you use the code TOM50 for the 50k. But also, if you're a brand new customer with My Funded Futures, you can get a 50k account, $115, including the activation fee. Because don't forget it, guys, activation fee is also there. All right. Let's see what's happening. Oh no, looks like we're going for that 46. Looks weak. This is actually a market structure shift here. I mean, that's what it looks like. And I wouldn't be surprised if this one would go for 51, 50. Yeah. So I could jump into a short. How about that? Actually, I just jumped in. How about that? Quick scalp, guys. Just scalping here. Quick scalpy. This is just a scalp. Do not do this at home. It's only an evaluation account, nothing special. All right. Super dangerous. It's not worth to do it. And we're just having fun. Okay. Oh no, it's going against me. Trading aggressively on this My Funded Futures account. This is just evaluation again. I would not take this on a funded trade, a funded account. I'm in short as well from 54. Oh, that's a good area. Hey man, can you tell me which instrument has highest volume? Well, I would go with Nasdaq, of course, which we are on right now. Nasdaq is the one which has the fastest moves and, I mean, speed that you need, and volume, of course. but Nasdaq, depending on which times of the day you trade. But that's why people love Nasdaq, including myself. Of course, it can be very disrespectful sometimes, but it moves. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly like Francis saying. Bum, 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 bum. Fast win, fast losses. Yeah, fast losses too. That's for sure. That's for sure. Oh, missed my TP. Oh, that is what it is. There you go. Back to profit. Okay, so this was just a scalp trade. My entry was based on this gap here, in line with the trend lines and with some targets down there. We still have the 120 down there, which is the consequent encroachment or mid-level of the 4-hour wick. We talked about that. You guys mentioned it. I think it was Crypto Panda, or I don't even know who it was. But yeah. What's your thought for the day short? 80s? You know, it's not a bad idea. Actually, it can go down. I can see it's possible. Gotta watch out for the dollar index, and maybe I'm not checking those, but it would be a good idea to check on Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft, all the big names, including during the day. I closed half as well. Nice start of the day. Rest is break even. Nice. Very good. Very good. Asia. The Asia high is Asia high is at 176. It can still put it out. There was some gaps here, so it could be possible that now it's repricing this area and then goes once more for the Asia high at 76. But that's not sure. And watch out for the 120 level as the mid-level of the wick on the 4-hour. Those long wick candles are also a good target, especially the mid-range of those wicks. Price like to respect those levels by visiting those levels, bouncing off those levels, or just getting through those levels. But either way, those are a little bit like magnets. So 120 is a little bit magnetic. Okay, it's going down again. So 120 is a good area. Look at that. Okay. Okay. If I would be in a short, I would be taking profit about around 124.25, just to make sure. If I would be holding a runner, I would be taking profit around 24.25 something. It should be going down below the 30s, if that's a target. But we don't know that. The construction goes extremely well. They are building the walls. So what about 100? Two contracts open. I like to close. Yeah, 100. 100 is good. It's a whole number. I like whole numbers. And it's inside these candles. I think it's a good area. Look at this. On the 6th of May, price was pretty much around this 100 level. Hard to break through. Went down to 100. Could be testing 100 again. But just to make sure, you know, because NQ likes to play tricks, I would be taking profit at, for example, 101 or 102. You know, I saw that many times, for example, on the 18K level, that it was not touching the 18,000 by just 1 point or 2 points. So take profit at 102 maybe. Not a bad idea, actually. But keep in mind that the 4-hour mid-level is at 120. Maybe trail it a little bit, depending on your risk management style. So you should be the one to decide what to do there. Haven't really looked ES this morning. Not much is happening. Made some new lows here. Could be going lower again. ES, nothing extra. So by the way, the BULENOX code, I think the Tom Sabo 1 or the Tom 50 should be working on option 1 accounts too. So option 1 accounts with the intraday trailing but no daily loss limit also should be working with 90% if you want to stack up a few. Just saying. Purchase 50. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for supporting, Josef. Hey, we all buy accounts. Oh, igen. Tegnap nyert. Úgyhogy Egymást támogatjuk. So he won $50 yesterday. He is the winner for the giveaway yesterday. And he immediately bought 50k evaluation accounts. So that's how I make my money as well. I'm giving away and I get some portion of it back. I think I made like $1.80 on that purchase, so it's a good money. So I thank you. All right. Money is money. Exactly. Those $1-2 here and there, they're really helping out, paying the bills, and you know, I'm able to be here full time. I'm not breaking bank or anything, but I'm gonna be talking more about that. But thank you for the support. Okay, seems like somehow it got denied down there. Let's see what it wants to do here. I'm gonna delete this 38 level. It's not important anymore. And let's see what it does. Just waiting. Nincs, de amúgy nagyon egyszerű. Alright, szóval úgy van, hogy József is asking how to connect Ninja through Rhythmic. Actually, you have to I'm gonna talk a little bit Hungarian here, alright? Szóval oda kell menned a NinjaTrader weboldalára, regisztrálni, és be kell írni az azonosítót, ami a BULENOX-nak a dashboardján látsz, NinjaTrader licenszet, azt be kell írni a saját NinjaTrader felületen, de mindjárt nézek egy linket, ahol le van az írva. Az Apex oldalán egyébként van egy egész jó leírás, ugyanazt kell csinálni, mint amit az Apex ír. Beírod a Rhythmic azonosítót oda, és miután beírtad, letöltöd a NinjaTrader-t. Na mindegy, ez hosszú. Inkább belinkelem szerintem neked. Az lesz legegyszerűbb. Alright. Just a little bit of a help how to Oké, na itt van az Apexen, ugyanezt kell csinálni, belinkelem neked ide. Ez az Apexet írja, de ugyanez a BULENOX, semmi különbség. Teljesen ugyanezt kell csinálni a BULENOX-nál, csak a kapcsolatoknál ott mindegy. A Rhythmic-et kell kiválasztani. Nem Apexet választasz ki, hanem Rhythmic Connection, de mindjárt belinkelem. Yeah, I'm just, definitely. I'm just saying that I'm gonna link how Apex connects NinjaTrader. This is the, yeah, of course, English, everything in English. Sorry, guys. So I was just saying that. Okay, so that's the link. Okay, so you have to do, if you're using BULENOX, you have to, and if you're using NinjaTrader, you have to update the license key on the website, and then after updated the license on the NinjaTrader website, you have to download NinjaTrader, because it's going to implement or program the license key into the downloadable executable file. So update the license key, download the program, and also you have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro. You have to log into your Rhythmic account, because NinjaTrader is going to want to get the database from the Rhythmic Trader application. So you have to download that as well. But everything is in the link. It's not that super difficult, but actually Quantower is much more simpler. Just saying, Quantower is simpler than NinjaTrader. I don't have any issue with NinjaTrader. I'm just saying Quantower is a little bit more simple. That's it. Explain the micro scalping rule at, yeah, they say 5 points 20 ticks is no micro scalping. You won't be flaggers if 50% of trades is over 5 points. Yeah, just a second there, Erkan. It's cool when you know different language. Yeah, English. Okay, so the thing with the scalping at My Funded Futures is a little bit of a gray area, but it's nothing like undoable or special. It goes like this. You have to go for example, on Nasdaq, you have to go at least with 5 points or 20 ticks, and you have to hold the trades for more than 6 to 8 seconds. Most likely, if you can hold it for 8 to 10 seconds would be better. They were talking about it also on a Discord stream and also on the chat. The mods were talking about it, and it's not an issue if you have some of those trades. And for example, if you open a trade and you sit on the trade for minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes and you exit at the same price, that's not a breach, or that's not even counts, because you were holding the trade for more than 8 to 10 seconds. So, but if you're holding it for just 2 or 3 seconds and you go in with like 2 or 3 or 5 minis and you go for 2 points, and you do this every often, so like algorithmically or a lot, that is when you are gonna get questioned or bad or worst case scenario denied by the payout. But if you have a few trades here and there because you messed up something or you change your mind or whatever, it's okay. So they let it slide. It's not a big deal. But if they see that you do it regularly on the account, and that is something that they don't like on the funded account. On the evaluation account, you do whatever you want. They don't care. But of course, because of money and payout policy and everything, they don't want people to abuse the funded account with methods like that. And that's it. By the way, Apex Trader does the same thing. Just saying. So Apex does the same. My Funded Futures does the same. I even heard TOPSTEP has denied payouts because of this. TOPSTEP denied XFA payouts because the same issue. So, any trader funding, 1 second single tick as often you want. I never heard of that. It's possible on the Elite Trader funded account. But if yes, that's a good thing. But most likely, I mean, even if they let you to trade like that, I would not build my trading strategy for going for 1 points or 1 seconds or something like that, because let's just face it, I know traders doing it. Alpine does it. Sometimes other people does it. So anyway, I don't want to say names, but for me, that's not even a real. I mean, they're making money as long as you're making money. But let's face it, would you do it without stop loss? Because that's how they do it on your personal live money account. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah. There are people so good they can go full clip. Yeah. Fund multiple ATF accounts. I'm like opening 200 scalp positions. They pay regularly, even 10K payouts. There you go. So Francis, that's a good thing you told. That's great. So that's good to know. EliTrader funding pays you. I mean, you can open 200 positions on any of these firms, depending on how long as are those scalping positions are open, and for how many points, I guess. But yes, if you're going for 1 second and 1 point take profits, then maybe my funded futures or Apex is not specifically, but actually Apex paid out Alpine a few times. So but if I would be a prop firm owner, that would be something also I would be against. I'm not defending the prop firms, of course, but I understand why they don't want to pay. I just understand. Isn't it cheating, fraud, if you can do everything on an eval but not on a PA account? Good question. Good question. I don't know. Is it a fraud? I don't know. I think it's somewhere in their policy, but it's not. I mean, I didn't find anything specific. That's why I say it's a little bit gray, because they were only talking about it on Discord. If they let you to do it on evaluation, and it's also a simulated account, and the funded account is also a simulated account, why can't you do it on that? But I guess it's because the payout, because then they have to pay. And of course, prop firms, no matter which prop firm we're talking about, prop firms don't want to pay. They are not here to pay out traders. I mean, overall, they want more traders to fail. Every prop firm, no exception. So, yeah. So, and when a prop firm says that, oh, you're so good, we're putting you on a live account, they're actually saying to your face that you're too good, we want to get rid of you. That's what they're saying. Just to translate you how prop firms are talking. So when a prop firm is saying, no matter which one, oh, you're an excellent trader, you're so good, you're such an excellent trader, we are proud to present to you the live markets with real market executions. What they're really telling you is, hey man, you're making too much money and you're starting to hurt us financially. So you know what? We're going to get rid of you and we're just going to put you out to the live market and do whatever you want. We don't care. Just leave us alone. That's what they're saying. You know, but all we see is the pink dust, you know. Because that's how the prop firm stays in business, by blowing evals. Yeah, that's their main business model. Somebody was saying the other day, not here, not just here, but on the Discord, there was a Discord stream. Anyway, long story short, that prop firms are making money by copy trading the good traders. That is bullshit, guys. I'm gonna say it out loud. So when somebody's telling you that even futures, even regulated futures, prop firms, whatever, when somebody's saying to you that, oh yes, but prop firms are copy trading their best traders, that is the biggest bullshit on the whole world. No, they are not copy trading. They're not going to, you know, accept that risk by copy trading, because even a good trader, if they have good traders, of course they have, they never know when that specific trader is going to be on a tilt, when that specific trader is going to have a bad day. They're not going to risk their capital by copy trading any quote-unquote good traders. The good traders, quote-unquote good traders, who they put to live accounts, they only putting them to live accounts because they don't want to manage their risk. Too much risk for them. Okay? So when somebody is telling that, oh, prop firms are copy trading the best traders and they're making a ton of money by copy trading the best traders, that is straight up lie. That's a lie. A straight up lie. That's lying straight to your face. I can say it out loud. They are not copy trading. Even if they do, because of course they might try it. They might do it with like 1 or 2 person who is very close to the circle in their team or whatever. But they're not doing it regularly. And they never copy trade the best traders. Why would they do that? It's a huge risk. It's a huge risk to copy trade the best traders. Why would I do that? Even if I know I have some good traders in my prop firms, I definitely don't want to take an extra risk by risking that the other day one of my good traders, his girlfriend leaves him, and the other day he's just gonna YOLO all his accounts. Why would I do that? Why would I copy trade? I will not do that if I would be a prop firm owner. The main income is from failed accounts, and that's it. That's it. No more. Nothing else. Just to let that sink in, all right? Not that I'm an expert, but because I'm not. I'm far away from being, and I don't even want to be an expert on this, but I don't fall for that BS. Tom, I quit Nasdaq. What? What is happening? Komodo, come on. Because of transferring fund that seem to live day traders, not scalpers or high frequency traders. Yeah, it goes with their ideology. Maybe. Yeah, they rely on old good statistic 95. Exactly, 95% fail. And that's how they make money. Exactly, 5% profitable traders, so they're getting better. Yeah, exactly. They want to aim for that 95% failing. That's it. Don't quit Nasdaq, Komodo. It punishes, I know, but don't quit it. And from them 5% profitable traders, they take maybe 0.5, I think you said too much, 0.1% to live only. If traded textbook perfect PNL. Yeah, but as I said, even if they put someone to a live real market account, they putting that person there because they want to get rid of the person. So when they tap your shoulder, they call you up or write you an email that, oh man, we love you. You're such a good trader. You're one of the best traders we've ever seen. You must be the clone of ICT or something. I don't know, but you're so good. We love you. We're going to put you on a live, real market. You're going to be the next Gordon Gekko, man. You're the man, or lady, or whatever. You're going to go to the live markets. What they are saying actually to you that, hey man, you're too good and we're pissed off by you by taking profits. So we don't want to, do anything with you. So we put you out to a live market, do whatever you want. We don't care, but just, do your thing. We don't care what you do. You're too good. You're too good trader. That's what they are saying. All right. I got carried away. Sorry, guys. I stop now. Okay. Yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. Sorry, Naz. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I stopped here. Let's move on. No. Not on rent. I'm sorry. I stopped. No more of that. It is forbidden to trade prop firms on live accounts. Wow, only on sim account is allowed. Oh, yeah, because of buffing. Okay. It's not bad. It's very good to trade on live account. It's good for you. It's good for the prop firm because they don't have to pay you directly. Today, many EU countries have bank holidays. In recent days, indexes are slow, even crazy. Yes. 1 minute trade. My average trade are 20 minutes to 3 minutes. Yeah. Exactly. So yeah, let's moving on. We're pretty much sideways here. Pretty much sideways. Nothing happening. Nothing is happening. It's the old man. Welcome, FX Entropy, by the way. Oh, come on, don't start to don't start to nag each other right now, Naz. 95% sell, yeah. Phil, yeah. Yeah. Putting someone on live, you still can't lose money. Then fund the drawdown or daily loss limit. So they win. Yeah. Looks like it's still trying to go. Yeah, it's still the 120 is still in the crosshair. So let's see. Let's see what happens. By the way, guys, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're here every day. We have some very good discounts going on right now. $18 for a 50k account, guys. $18 for a 50k end of day trailing account at BULENOX. Lifetime discount, by the way. If you use the code TOM50 for the 50k and so on, TOM100 for the 100k option 2 account. And if you're brand new with My Funded Futures, you get a 30% off from the expert account. So you can get a 50k account, including the activation fee for $115. TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% discount if you click on my link. And Apex Trader Lifetime 80% discount. So, but we have now Take Profit Trader 40% off in the description, Lifetime, and no activation fee. Same goes for Trade Day. So go check him out. Thank you. This was the commercial. Check my email. Let's check the email. I saw that you wrote me earlier, so I'm gonna send you a link. Oh, yeah, I see that. I see. Okay. Let me check which one. I think Rhythmic Chicago area. Chicago area, maybe. You should. Okay, we reached the 120 Chicago area. Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. That's what I would go with, I think. Let me check. Let me check it on my end, alright? Just a second. On my Rhythmic Trader Pro. I'm not gonna log in because I lose the connection then. Rhythmic Paper Trading, yes. Yes, rhythmic paper trading. Chicago area. So on my on my BULENOX, I chose rhythmic paper trading and Chicago area. That's what I choose. Yeah, NASDP hit. Nice. Have anyone experience with Rise payments? Yeah, I have. Very negative. I think so far the payments from Rise was super fast. Everything was super fast.